we can register specific supplier prices. Odoo embeds a price list feature dedicated to suppliers, enabling you to set specific prices per quantity and per supplier. For that, we need to go to Settings, under Purchases, and make sure that the Manage Price List per Supplier is activated. After that, we can go to Purchases and create a price list. Let's create a supplier reductions, which is a purchase price list, and add a version. Let's say this is valid for year 2014, from end of the year till last day of the year. And let's add a rule. Let's say give 10% discount, at least receive. Let's say this rule is valid on the fridge and is calculated based on supplier prices on product form. And how do we compute the rule? We say we want to retrieve 10% from the unit price, and we can save this. Save again, save this. Now that we have defined the supplier reductions, we need to assign this price list to every supplier that uses it. So we go to suppliers, and let's say we assign it to the smart home. We go to sales and purchases. We can change the purchase price list and select the supplier reductions and save. The same goes for the one-stop shop. If we want him to have this new price list, we assign it to him. Now let's configure our product first. Let's say for the fridge, we can give specific supplier prices by going to procurement. The cost price is 750, but we will say we have specific prices for each of these suppliers. For smart home, we'll say 1 unit costs 800, and we save. And for the one-stop shop, you can say 1 unit costs 700, and we save. Now we can save this. And now let's perform a purchase from the one-stop shop and the smart home to see the effect of price list. We create a request for quotation. The first one addressed to the smart home. The price list is correctly pre-filled. We select a fridge, and we can have the price. We have 720 instead of 800, which makes it a correct computation according to the price list. We can do the same with the next supplier, which was the one-stop shop. Select the fridge. Now we have 630 euros, where we needed to have 700. And that's it for supplier prices.